Hey, if you've been thinking about moving to the Tampa Bay area and considering Wesley Chapel, stick around. We have one beautiful home that we're about to show you in a spectacular location in the Wesley Chapel area, and we're getting after it
right now.
So here we are in Persimmon Park in Wesley Chapel, which has to be one of the best locations in Wesley Chapel. We are about 5 minutes to the Shops of Wiregrass Mall. We are literally across the street from Estancia, the great looking neighborhood over there. We are about 30 minutes to downtown Tampa and 35 minutes to Tampa International Airport.
If you have kiddos that are deep into sports, we are a stone's throw to Wiregrass Sports Complex. So if you have kids that are cheering, volleyball, basketball, soccer, lacrosse, wrestling, all those activities are held within that location. So there is a lot of stuff going on right here in Persimmon Park.
And to top it off, it is one of the most requested high schools in the area. Currently, except for Wiregrass High School, that could change at any time, so always check. But currently, it is the top one.
Yes, it is. And for those of you interested in medical facilities and offices, we are within 3 to 5 minutes to 3 major hospitals. We just had Orlando Health open literally in our backyard, Advent right next to Wiregrass Mall, and Bayfront is also open right there on Bruceby Downs. So literally in 5 minutes, you could be to any 3 of those hospitals.
About a 7-minute drive to I-75. That's going to take you south. That's going to take you north, wherever you need to go. Just great location.
Yes, location is ideal. So today we are going to focus on one of our newest resales. It is a Primrose model by ICI. So let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
Welcome to our newest listing in Persimmon Park in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Today we are going to focus on this beautiful Primrose model by ICI Homes. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a 2-car rear garage. That is correct, I said a rear garage. So here in Persimmon Park, they have different series, garden series, cottage series, where we live that front porch life. And if you notice down this sidewalk, you're gonna see nothing but beautiful front porches, again, because the garages are located to the rear of the home, but there is a lot of street parking for your friends and visitors. So come on inside and let's go check out the Primrose. One of the things that I absolutely love about the Primrose model is this cute front porch section. Again, long enough to have some different variations of maybe some rockers, a long bench, a table, perfect spot to sit out here, drink some afternoon lemonade or your morning cup of joe. Right up front, we are gonna have an 8-foot front door for our entrance, which again is nice and grand. So come on in and let's check it out. For those of you looking for multi-generational living, the Primrose could definitely check your boxes. This is gonna feature 2 bedrooms down and 2 bedrooms up. Let's start off with bedroom number 1, located right here at the front of the home. Currently set up as a home office, but you can see that this is a nice bright room with a walk-in closet. We've got racks on 2 walls and again, 8-foot doors throughout. Directly across from bedroom number 1 is a full bath. This has a shower tub combo, gorgeous sparkling quartz on the sink with white cabinetry and beautiful flooring that goes throughout. Directly across from bedroom number 1 is going to be the primary, located down here again on that first level. To the front of the home, so 3 big windows, nice and bright. We have crown molding throughout. We do have a queen size bed in here, and you can see there is a lot of room for vanities, a desk, chest of drawers. and high ceilings in here. Now the Primrose does have his and her closets. So we are gonna have a closet on this side, which is featuring hers. It does have a luggage shelf up above, so perfect to put your suitcases and all your travel bags. Directly across is gonna be the second closet. It has 2 levels of racks, so a lot of storage can be held in there. The primary ensuite features tile throughout here in the wet areas. Again, dual vanity sinks with quartz countertops, 8-foot door on our private water closet, linen closet in here for your storage of your towels, and a very nicely sized super shower, tile custom on the floors and on the walls, also with a bench. So in this Primrose model, you are not gonna lack for storage. You have storage under the stairs that curves around so you can get your big items, Christmas tree decorations in there. And then this is the stunning open floor plan here. 12-foot vaulted ceilings here in the family room and also with a tray. So again, it just gives it more depth. We have transom windows above the sliders and the windows. So you can see that this is a very bright open floor plan. The kitchen, stunning. Huge center island. We have a stainless steel sink located right in the middle with our dishwasher, but you are gonna have tons of storage. Cabinets here in the island, cabinets throughout on 2 walls. We do have a little area over here that you can use as a coffee bar. Nice big pantry. We've got 4 shelves in there. Huge light, so again, nice and bright. Custom backsplash, flat cooktop with a stainless steel hood that vents to the outside. Now in this gourmet kitchen, you are gonna have the built-ins, so microwave and stove are built into the cabinetry. We are gonna have a black stainless refrigerator, so not all the fingerprints are gonna be on there. I love how they've done custom pendants here just over this large center island, and you're gonna notice fans and custom lighting throughout this home. Now, for those of you loving to entertain, this house is easy peasy. Huge center island, you can spread out all the appetizers across this main island. You are overlooking your family room so the guys can have a game on, beers in hand, and the dining table is located just off the kitchen so the ladies can be right here sipping on some wine. Again, an easy flowing floor plan. Just on the other side of the dining room, we are gonna have the laundry room that is located down here on the first floor. Washer and dryer hookups are in here. Love that they've got this countertop space, so perfect for the ladies that love to do the folding in here and not bringing everything into a bedroom. A huge rack across the top to hold some storage and cabinets down below. Now, if you have not noticed by now, this home has been meticulously cared for. It is a 2021 build, and it literally looks like it was built yesterday. This is gonna be the 2-car garage. Your water heater is gonna be located out here. It also has overhead storage, perfect to get all your decorations up there. And this home will come with a refrigerator here in the garage. Now stick with me because I do want to show you the pool and amenities that you do get here in Persimmon. But right now, let's go check out that second level. One of the things I do love about this Primrose is the luxury vinyl on the stairs and the wooden stained railing, so you're not just getting a solid piece of drywall. Again, just aesthetically pleasing. Now upstairs, we are gonna have 2 additional bedrooms and this enormous bonus area. Again, they just have some tables up here, but this is a blank slate for anyone to design a movie room, a gaming center, ping pong tables, pool tables, whatever your heart's desire. Again, we've got a tray ceiling up here to give it some depth. We do have fans located in all the rooms, so again, a plus to keep that air circulating. This is gonna be bedroom number 3. We are to the front of the home, so nice and bright, 3 large windows, and a very nicely sized walk-in closet. Again, even upstairs, we have the 8-foot doors throughout. As I come out of bedroom 3, we are gonna have a full bathroom located up here. Again, pristine, nice and bright. Quartz on the countertops, white cabinets, and a shower tub combo with white tile. And our last and final bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. And they are both equal in size. The only difference with this one is that there are double doors on this closet. Again, still with the 8 feet, 2 racks, so definitely a lot of room for storage. Before we head downstairs, let's check out this gorgeous balcony. Here on the Primrose model, it's located at the front of the home. Nice and breezy, gorgeous place to hang out, maybe watch the kiddos play and drink some iced tea. What I do love about this floor plan is a very large lanai. Again, with the 12-foot ceilings, not only do you have 3 sliders across the rear, you do have a door that exits off of your kitchen, so perfect for those that are coming out here to grill. We do have it pre-plumbed, so if an outdoor kitchen is your heart's desire, you can still put that in and you can design it to your likes. I love this panoramic screen. Huge, it just looks like a picture window because you aren't gonna have any of the aluminum railings obstructing your view. One of the really smart perks this homeowner has done is an extra large door. So if you're needing to get in some chunky furniture, maybe a bigger refrigerator, it can fit through this entrance. We've also have pavers along the side of the home that has been done with curbing, so they're not gonna slide away. They are pristine. You'll notice gutters throughout this home, which is definitely needed here in Florida, especially because we are in our rainy season right now. So this is an extra large corner lot. For those of you wanting to fence in, you can still do that. You've got about 21 feet off of the side of the home. So you do have room if you wanted to add a pool or if you just wanted to fence it in and let the dog run wild. And you'll notice this pavered walkway goes all the way to your 2-car garage, which is located here at the rear of the home.
Before we head over to the pool area, make sure you realize this is a bargain. This home here has over $129,000 in structural upgrades and post-purchase upgrades. This home is meticulously cared for.
It is turnkey. Literally pack your bags, bring your toothbrush, bring your suitcases, and there is nothing here left to do.
We are in the beginning of Wesley Chapel, 33543 zip code, which there's not a whole lot of brand new construction going on. Everything in new construction is kind of a little bit deeper into Wesley Chapel. This home has by far a spectacular location. It's very easy to get to the hospitals, like we mentioned, the mall and the interstate.
And Publix.
Publix is right. Which way? Which one?
Right, you are in between 2 Publixes, so getting to the shopping store for food and retail, literally 5-minute drive.
Now we are in the Wiregrass area. There is talk about a Wiregrass downtown where they're going to make a little bit of a little area with some commercial and some residential where you may be able to walk to from here to get that cup of joe in the morning and maybe a little bite to eat, some ice cream, or just a little hangout. It would be absolutely perfect here.
Now Persimmon has a ton of sidewalks. For those of you that like to get out in the evenings or early mornings when it's not too hot, walk the dogs, kids ride the bikes, there are continuous sidewalks throughout this area. The sidewalks will take you all the way to that Wiregrass Sports Complex without you ever having to be on a main road. So again, for those of you that like to get your steps in, you can definitely do that here in Persimmon.
So stick with us. We're going to go show you that amenity center with the pool, and let's go.
All right, come on. So here in Persimmon Park, it is known for having a lower HOA compared to a lot of the other master plan communities. HOA is super low in here, $141 per month. And with that, you're not gonna get a crazy amount of amenities. We are gonna have a tot lot located right here. We are gonna have a dog park on the other side of the pool area. That's gonna feature a dog park for the little guys and one for the larger pups. And then we are gonna have an open air clubhouse with restrooms and a very nicely sized swimming pool with cabanas and chairs all around.
Hey, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications as we have weekly walkthroughs of new construction and resales all around the Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, because we would definitely love to help you make that move to the Wesley Chapel area. If you do have any questions on the Primrose model or any questions about Persimmon in general, again, just pick up the phone, give us a call, or shoot us a text or an email. We can even schedule a Zoom.
See you soon and see you around town.
Bye now.